Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to use Fedora Online from OnWorks to browse anonymously with Firefox and work on your documents with LibreOffice. All of this, directly from your browser. Step 1. Visit the Fedora 38 workstation page on OnWorks. Click the Run Online button to launch Fedora directly in your browser. Step 2. Once loaded, the Fedora desktop will be ready to use. From here, you can explore the available tools, settings, and applications. Step 3. Open Firefox from the main menu. To browse anonymously, use private browsing mode or install extensions like AnonymoX, which help protect your online privacy. Step 4. Open LibreOffice from the menu. Fedora Online allows you to work on documents, spreadsheets, and presentations without needing to install anything on your device. Step 5. Experience Linux on the go. With Fedora Online, you have access to a full operating system from anywhere. It's perfect for quick tasks, exploring software, or simply trying out Linux. Try Linux without any installations. That's all for today. Visit OnWorks to try Fedora and discover more free tools. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.